We have a vehicle stability control warning light on. These are the tools you're going to need: a 10mm, 14mm, preferably a trim panel tool. I use a pry bar. This is the deceleration sensor we're going to replace, better known as the yaw sensor. We're going to use a 10mm to remove the negative battery terminal. Wait 5 minutes after you remove it. We will be removing the seats using a 14mm. We're going to disconnect the airbag seat sensor. Using the pry bar, we're going to remove the trim panel. Now we remove the carpet clip. There's your yaw sensor that we're going to remove. There's a small protective cover that we need to remove. It has a 10mm. The yaw sensor also has two 10mm that need to be removed. Now you're going to disconnect the yaw sensor just by pushing down on that tab. Here we have the two sensors side by side, old and new. When connecting them, make sure you hear the click. Now we put everything back together. You're going to put the protective case afterwards, carpet clip, insert the trim panel. Connect the airbag sensor. We're going to put the seats back on as well. Reconnect the negative terminal. Now we're going to perform a 0-point calibration. Link in the description on how to perform this step by step. Tap the clip 4 times. The warning lights will flash. Remove the clips. Restart the car. And voila, no more warning light.